Hello everyone, this is me Debosmita Sarkar. Today we are going to talk about matter in our surrounding, class 9, chapter 1, Ncert science. So let's begin. States of matter. Matter can be classified as solid, liquid, gas on the basis of interparticle forces and the arrangement of particles. These three forms of matter are interconvertible by increasing or decreasing pressure and temperature. For example, ice can be converted from solid to liquid by increasing temperature. Now I have made a tabular form of the properties of solid, liquid and gas, shape and volume. Solid, fixed shape and volume. Liquid, no fixed shape but has volume. Gas, neither definite shape nor volume. Energy. Solid, lowest. Liquid, medium. Gas, highest. Compressibility. Solid, difficult. Liquid, nearly difficult. Gas, easy. Arrangement of molecules. Solid, regular and closely arranged. Liquid, random and little sparsely arranged. Gas, random and more sparsely arranged. Fluidity. Solid, cannot flow. Liquid, flows from higher to lower level. Gas, flows in all directions. Movement. Solid, negligible. Liquid, depends on interparticle attraction. Gas, free, constant and random. Interparticle space. Solid, very less. Liquid, more. Gas, large. Interparticle attraction. Solid, maximum. Liquid, medium. Gas, minimum. Density. Solid, maximum. Liquid, medium. Gas, minimum. Rate of diffusion. Solid, negligible. Liquid, depends on interparticle attraction. Gas, maximum. Now these are the atomic view of the three states of matter. For solid it is this one. All atoms are closely packed. For liquid, all atoms are not closely packed and it's neither fully aparted. In gas, the atoms are fully aparted. Evaporation, the phenomenon by which molecules in a liquid state undergo a spontaneous transition to the gaseous phase at any temperature below its boiling point, is called as evaporation. For example, the gradual drying of damp cloth is caused by the evaporation of water to water vapor. Factors affecting evaporation. Temperature. The rate of evaporation increases with an increased temperature. Surface area. The rate of evaporation increases with an increase in surface area. Humidity. The rate of evaporation decreases with an increase in humidity. Wind speed. The rate of evaporation increases with an increase in wind speed. Cooling due to evaporation. During evaporation, the particles of a liquid absorb energy from the surroundings to overcome the interparticle forces of attraction and undergo these changes. The absorption of heat from the surroundings makes the surroundings cool. For example, sweating cools down our bodies. Physical nature of matter. A physical property is that aspect of the matter that can be observed or measured without changing its nature or composition. Second, it is independent of the amount of matter present. Third is the physical properties include the appearance, color, odor, density, texture, melting points, boiling point, solubility. Matter. What is matter? The matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Everything that we can touch, see, hear, taste, and also smell is matter. Second, it is made up of really tiny particles which cannot be seen through the eye. The particles of which the matter is comprised of influence its states and property, physical and chemical. The particles of matter have space between them. The characteristic is one of the concept behind the solubility of a substance in other substance. For example, on dissolving sugar in water, there is no rise in water level because the particles of sugar get into the interparticle spaces between the water particles. Second, the particles of matter are always in motion. Particles of the matter show continuous random movement due to the kinetic energy they possess. The rise in temperature increases the kinetic energy of the particles, making them move more vigorously. Third, the particles of matter attract each other. In every substance, there is an interparticle force of attraction acting between the particles. To break a substance, we need to overcome this force. The strength of the force differs from one substance to the another. What is diffusion? When the particles of matter intermix on their own with each other, the phenomenon is called diffusion. For example, spreading of ink in water. During diffusion, the particles occupy the interparticle spaces. Second, the rate of diffusion increases with an increase in the temperature due to an increase in the kinetic energy of the particles. Can matter change its states? Effects of change on temperature on state of matter. On the increasing temperature, the kinetic energy of the particle of the matter increases and they begin to vibrate with higher energy. Therefore, the interparticle force of attraction between the particle reduces and particles get detached from their position and begin to move freely. As a result, the state of matter begins to change. Solids undergo a phase change to form liquids. Similarly, liquids also undergo phase change to form gases. Melting point. The melting point of a solid is defined as the temperature at which solid melts to become liquid at atmospheric pressure. At the melting point, these two phases, that is solid and liquid, are in equilibrium. That is, at this point, both solid state and liquid states exist simultaneously. Boiling point. The boiling point of a liquid is defined as the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Latent heat of fusion. It is the amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid to liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point. The latent heat of vaporization. It is the amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of a liquid into gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. Sublimation. The transition of a substance directly from its solid phase to the gaseous phase without changing into the liquid phase or vice versa is known as sublimation. Here is a whole diagram of it. This is the diagram of sublimation, which is solid to gas phase transformation. Here this is the burner, this is the tripod stand, this is the wire gauge, this is the mixture of potassium chloride and ammonium chloride. This is the vapor of these are the vapors of ammonium chloride. Pure chlorides are this. It is an inverted funnel and a cotton plug is there. Effect of change in pressure on state of the matter. By applying pressure, the interparticle spaces between particles of matter decrease. Thus, by applying pressure and reducing temperature, we can convert a solid to liquid and liquid to gas. Flowchart for interconversion of the three states of matter. Here it's getting hot, it's melting and freezing. The liquid is then evaporating, the gas is then condensing, and then again it's getting colder. The blues are of getting colder and the reds are of getting hotter. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.